Built between the system's inception in 1987 and 1991, these cars are about to be retired. The Siemens Duag U2As will eventually all be replaced by the new Siemens S700s. Each car, when articulated or put together, has a capacity of 264 passengers per vehicle, and their current power outputs are from 2 DC motors with 400 horsepower and a maximum speed of a whopping 50 miles per hour. But you know what? These trains are going to be phased out real soon, because good lord, these trains have no business being on a modern light rail system from the mid-1980s. Meet the Siemens S700s, Sacramento's newest fleet of light rail trains. They plan to purchase 76 light rail vehicles when funding is secured, so far 45 have been ordered as this video is recording. These trains actually began revenue service September of 2024, and these S700s are everywhere in the US now, so part replacement should be a breeze, especially when you consider that unlike the other manufacturers, Siemens actually has a factory in the Sacramento area, which is awesome. I couldn't find the passenger capacity for the Sacramento light rail vehicles just yet, but I've seen numbers between 184 and 235 passengers per articulated vehicle, which isn't as much as the old ones, but I mean, I think it should be okay considering this train is really nice. What will also occur at the same time as these new vehicles coming in is a refurbishment of these stations to accommodate these low floor trains, as the other trains are high floor. But yeah, I could not have picked a better time to do a video on the Sacramento Light Rail with these new trains coming into the picture.